Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the fonts for the magazine templates. So when you pull in a page from the template into Photoshop, this might come up. If you don't have the fonts installed in your computer, it'll come up and it'll say, see if you can see this, don't resolve or resolve fonts. If you hit resolve fonts and you don't have them in your computer, it'll replace it with a different font. So as you can see here, it's looking for these three fonts. So it says a body MT condensed light, a body MT condensed extra bold, and Myriad Pro bold con light. So what you do is you go to Google, because most all these fonts are free fonts that I use in the templates. And so I'm going to Google Adobe MT condensed light free font download. And most of the time you can find them at Font Squirrel. This one came up at dafontfree.net. So this is it right here. And you have to be careful sometimes what buttons to click on, because there's lots of ads here. So I would go click on the download. And I can't really include these in the actual files because of licensing restrictions. So I hit download and I'm going to double click on the zip folder, and you see here it pops up here. All I'm going to do is click on the TTF. That's the file that you need. So click on install font, and then it automatically installs it.